Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am from Group 2. We present about question 2 of the ODE assignment group project. So for question 2a, identify the case for the complementary function of the given differential equation, which are 4y prime minus 27y prime minus 7y equals to 0, which become 4m squared minus 27m minus 7 equals to 0. So m equals to 7 and negative 1 over 4, which are case 1, and it will become yx equals to a exponent 7 to the power of 7x, b exponent to the power of negative x over 4. For question b, it asks to convert function fx in terms of exponential function. It will become cos hyperbolic 7x minus 2 exponential to the power of negative x over 4 becomes cos hyperbolic 7x equals to exponential to the power of 7x plus exponential to the power of negative 7x over 2. And lastly, it will become fx equals to exponential to the power of 7x plus exponential to the power of negative 7x over 2 minus 2 exponential to the power of negative x over 4. For question C, it asks to solve the particular integral function of yp using the undetermined coefficient function. So for yp, c x exponential to the power of 7x plus dx exponential to the power of negative 7x plus e x exponential to the power of negative 4x. So firstly, we must differentiate for yp. Yp prime equals to 7cx exponential to the power of 7x plus ce to the power of 7x minus 7 dx exponential to the power of negative 7x plus d exponential to negative 7 minus 1 over 4 e x exponential to the power of negative x over 4 plus e exponential to the power of negative x over 4. So we differentiate twice, which become 49c x e exponential 7x plus 14c exponential 7x plus 49 dxe to the power of negative 7x minus 14 de to the power of negative 7x plus ex exponential to the power of negative x over 4 divided by 16 minus exponential to the power of negative x over 4 divided by 2. Next, we must substitute this equation into the original equation. So it will become 196c x exponential to the power of 7x plus 56c exponential to the power of 7x plus 196 dx exponential to the power of 7x minus 56d exponential to the power of negative 7x plus x plus ex exponential to the power of negative x over 4 divided by 4 minus 2e exponential negative x over 4 minus 189 c x e to the power of negative to the power of 7x minus 27 c e to the power of 7x plus 189 dxe to the power of negative 7x minus 27 de to the power of negative 7x plus 27 over 4 ex exponential negative x over 4 minus 27 e exponential negative x over 4 minus 7c x exponential 7x minus 7 dxe exponential negative 7x minus 7e x exponential negative x over 4 equals to exponential to the power of 7x plus exponential to the power of negative 7x divided by 2 minus 2 exponential to the power of negative x over 4. So c will become 1 over 58, d will become 1 over negative 1 over 166, e will become 2 over 29.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Ghazali. Nometry is AE220054 and I am from the ODE group 2. Now I will present the question 2 by using Maple. For the first step is restart ODE equal 4 y power of n negative 27 y prime negative 7y equal cos hyperbolic bracket 7x negative 2 exponent power of negative x over 4. The answer we get from the maple is ODE equal to for d power of 2 over dx power of 2 yx negative 27 d over dx yx negative 7 y bracket x equal cos hyperbolic 7x negative 2 exponent power of negative x over 4. The second step is convert RHS ODE ASP. The answer we get is e power of 7x over 2 plus e power of negative 7x over 2 negative 2 exponent power of negative x by 4. The third step is ODE equal 4 y power of n negative 27 y prime negative 7y equal e power of 7x over 2 plus e power of negative 7x over 2 and negative 2 exponent power of negative x over 4. The answer we get is ODE equal 4 d over d power of 2 over dx to ys negative 27 d over dx yx negative 7y x equal e power of 7x over 2 plus e power of negative 7x over 2 and negative 2 exponent power of negative x over 4. And the fourth step is general solve equal d solve ODE yx. The answer is general solve equal ys equal exponent power of negative x over 4 C2 plus exponent power of 7x C1 plus exponent power of negative 7x bracket 10962 x exponent power of 40x negative 1512 exponent power of 14x plus 43x 848 x exponent power of 27x over 4 plus 6048 exponent power of 27x over 4 plus 841 bracket and over 635796. And the fifth step is char EQ equal subs bracket d power of 2 over dx to ys equal m power of 2 d over dx ys equal m yx equal 1 LHS ODE bracket. And the answer we get is char EQ equal 4 m power of 2 negative 27m negative 7. And the sixth step is m equal solve char EQ or m. And the answer is m equal 7 or negative 1 over 4. Then the seventh step is YH equal A exponent power of M1 multiple X plus B exponent power of M2 multiple X. The answer is YH equal A exponent power of 7x plus B exponent power of negative x over 4. And the x step is yp equal to c1 exponent power of 7x plus c2 exponent power of negative 7x plus c3 exponent power of negative 1 over 4x. The answer is yp. C1 exponent power of 7x plus C2 exponent power of negative 7x plus C3 exponent power of negative x over 4. The ninth step is ypx C1 exponent power of 7x multiplied by x plus C3 exponent power of negative 1 over 4x plus multiple x plus C2 exponent power of negative 7x. The answer we get is yps negative yps equal C1 exponent power of 7xx plus C3 exponent power of negative x over 4x plus C2 exponent power of negative 7x. And the 10th step is dyp equal d over dx ypx. The answer we get is dyp equal 7c1 exponent power of 7xx plus c1 exponent power of 7x minus c3 exponent power of negative x over 4x over 4 plus c3 exponent power of negative x over 4 and minus 7c2 exponent power of negative 7x. And the 11th step is d dyp equal d over dx dyp. The answer we get from the maple is d dyp equal 49 c1 exponent 7x x plus 40 c1 exponent power of 7x plus c3 exponent power of negative x over 4x over 16 negative c3 exponent power of negative x over 4 over 2 and 49 c2 exponent negative x x. And the 12th step is eq equal to bracket subs equal to bracket d over d power of 2 over dx power of 2 yx equal to d dyp d over dx yx equal to dyp yx equal to ypx ODE bracket. And the answer we get is eq equal to 29 c1 e power of negative 7x negative 29 c3 exponent power of negative x over 4 plus 378 c2 exponent power of negative 7x equal exponent 7x over 2 plus exponent power of negative 7x over 2 and negative 2 exponent power of negative x over 4. The 13th step is equation 1 equal to C coefficient LHS EQ negative RHS EQ is make power of 7x. And the equation 1, the answer we get is equation 1 equal to 29 C1 negative 1 over 2. And the 40th step is equation 2 equal coefficient bracket LHS equation negative RHS equation e power of negative 7x. Then the answer is equation 2 multiple equation 2 equal to 378 C2 minus 1 over 2. And the 15th step is equation 3 equal to coefficient bracket LHS equation negative RHS equation e power of negative 1 over 4x. And the answer is equation 3 equal to negative 29c3 plus 2. For the 16th step is solve bracket equation 1 equal to 0, equation 2 equal to 0, and equation 3 to the 0. And bracket C1, C2, and C3. The answer we get is C1 equal to 1 over 58 and C2 equal to 1 over 6 1 over 756 and C3 is equal to 202 over 29. The seventh step is we use a sign y equal to yh plus ypx, and the answer we get is y equal to a exponent 7x plus b exponent negative x over 4 plus a s power of 7x x over 58 plus 2 exponent power of negative x over 4x over 29 plus exponent power of negative 7x over 600 over 756. The 18th step is y equal to unapply x. The answer is y x. A multiple exponent power of 7 multiple x plus b multiple exponent power of negative x over 4 plus exponent power of 7 multiply x over 58 plus 2 multiply by exponent power of negative x over 4 multiply x over 29 and plus exponent power of negative x multiply x over 756. The 19th step is A equal to solve y0 equal to 1513 over 6 over 756 A. And the answer we get is A equal to 2 minus B. The 20th step is yx, and the answer is bracket 2 minus B exponent power of 7x plus b exponent power of negative x over 4 plus exponent power of 7x x over 58 plus 2 exponent power of negative x over 4x over 29 plus exponent power of negative 7x over 756. And the 21st step is y prime x, and the answer is 7 bracket 2 plus b 2 minus b, sorry, exponent power of 7x minus b exponent power of negative x over 4 plus 7 exponent 7x x over 58 plus exponent power of 7x over 58 minus exponent power of negative x over 4x over 58 plus 2 exponent power of negative x over 4 over 29 negative exponent power of negative 7x over 108. And for the 2022 step is the dyx equal to unapplied percentage x. And the answer we get is dyx equal x 7 multiply 2 minus b multiply exponent power of 7 multiply x minus b multiply exponent power of negative x over 4 over 4 plus 7 multiply exponent power of 7 multiply x over 58 plus exponent power of 7 multiply x over 58 minus exponent power of negative x over 4 multiply x over 58 plus 2 multiply exponent power of negative x over 4 over 29 and negative exponent power of negative 7 multiplied by x over 108. And for the 23rd step is b equal to solve dys bracket 0 equal to 0 or b. And the answer we get is b equal to 44089 over 22,707. And the 24th step is we just write a, and the equation we get is 1325 over 220,22707. And the 25th step is b, and the answer is 44089 over 22,707. Then The 26th step is y equal to a exponent power of net 7x plus b exponent negative x over 4 plus exponent power of 7x x over 58 plus 28 2 exponent power of negative x over 4x over 29 plus e power of 7 negative 7x over 755, and the answer we get is the y equal 1325 exponent power of 7x over 22 707 plus 44089 exponent power of negative x over 4 over 22 707 plus exponent power of 7x x over 58 n plus 20 plus 2 exponent power of negative x over 4 x over 29 and plus exponent power of negative x 7 over 756. That's all from me. Thank you.